The real number system can be completely graphed on this number line. It would cover every single spot of it if we could graph them all. We always start learning about real numbers when we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to positive infinity. Those are called the natural numbers. After the natural numbers, we just add 0. Those are now called the whole numbers. When we start thinking about the natural numbers, whole numbers, and the opposites of the natural numbers, we can go all the way out from negative infinity to positive infinity. These numbers are called the set of integers. But wait a minute. I see a lot of black line in between those points and also where the arrows are. Didn't we say the real numbers would cover the entire number line? What about those in-between numbers? Some of the in-between numbers are called the rational numbers. Rational numbers look like ratios or fractions, such as 2 over 3 or maybe 6 over 5. Those numbers go in between. We also have the set of irrational numbers that are not rational at all. 3/4 is rational because it looks like a fraction. 0 doesn't look like a fraction, but it is rational because we can write it as 0 divided by maybe 2. That's 0, which is also a whole number and an integer, by the way. We can find it right in the middle of the number line. Another example we might have is the square root of 3. Totally irrational. It's approximately equal to 1.7. Another irrational number would be pi, which is approximately 3.14. Well, what about the negative square root of 9? Is that irrational, or could it be rational? Well, I think it's negative 3, which is an integer, so it's also rational. Where does that go? So here we have it, the complete set of real numbers.